Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Mohit Malik and Aditi Malik, who are one of the cutest couple from the Teddy world, were roped in by India Forums as it is the month of love. Here Mohit got Aditi to the Aura jewelry store for some shopping and have her a surprise.
So today is Valentine's Day and मैं Aditi को एक surprise देने के लिए यहाँ पे लेके आया हूँ and whatever she likes.
Whatever I like. Are you sure? Are you sure? Think about it.
Let's see, whatever.
Normally I do my clothing shopping and all everything with him. I like to shop with him. तो ये बहुत ही स्वीट सा सरप्राइज था क्योंकि हम ज्वेलरी की स्टोर की तरफ क्योंकि कभी नहीं मुड़ते लाइक ही डजंट लाइक ज्वेलरी शॉपिंग मच ही सेज कि जो खुद ही जाके ले लो तो आज बहुत ही अच्छा सरप्राइज था कि ही हैज गॉट मी टू अ ज्वेलरी स्टोर सो आई एम वेरी 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 एक्साइटेड
I think I'll help today.
Whatever I wear normally is his choice only so I never wear anything without him saying a yes
But
to
I think Aura has a very beautiful collection. So that's what I've seen and that's why I got you here.
After this, it was time to check out the collect and try on a few pieces to take a look. Come, let's find out what have they decided to buy.
Finally, we have decided that we'll go with this one. I think ये Aditi और मेरे को दोनों को पसंद है. Fabulous. This is.
It's beautiful.
See, my both we actually हम दोनों को simple चीजें पसंद है. Not much of drama. So this is very simple and very subtle and nicely cut. I mean, so.
Very pretty.
Aditi, I love you. Thanks for being there. Thank you, God, for sending you on this planet and making my partner. You make a fabulous partner, and because of you, I think I've become a better human being, and that's what matters. So, thank you for being there. I love you.
Very pretty.
Very pretty. Yeah. I really like their collection.
Yes.
Actually, I love their collection.
It's amazing. It's very subtle and very, as he said, we don't like too much of drama. So it's all the collection is very subtle and nice.
Thank you, Aura Jewelry. Thank you so much for this fabulous
It's lovely.
thing.
After this, it was time for the Valentine's question and answer, so here it is. One habit you find cute about your partner which they aren't aware of?
I think Aditi is always वो हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ उसके दिमाग में चलता रहता है. She is always restless because वो multitasking करती रहती है. It's very cute, but the way she does it is fabulous. Secondly, Aditi is very lazy.
They asked only one.
तो कोई नहीं. She's very lazy also, which is very cute. तो we like that. Whatever you, जैसे हो आप वैसे रहो. मैंने छोड़ दिया आपको बोलना. So yeah, so कुछ आपके ऑप्शन नहीं है तो क्यूट ही लगने लगेगा ना. So ठीक है. और तीसरी कोई चीज Aditi. I think she's a big foodie. बहुत खाती है तो मुझे बहुत क्यूट लगता है जब वो खाती है तो.
And especially when I eat fish.
Yeah,
I love fish.
जब ये सी फूड खाती है तो किसी से बात नहीं करती है. तो इससे कोई बात नहीं कर सकता जब ये फिश खा रही होती है क्रैब खा रही होती है. So that's the very cutest thing which I like about her.
The most cutest thing about him I like is not many people know about this. I don't know whether he also notices it, but so he's gotten into this habit wherein he will always all his smallest to the biggest decisions will start off with a question to me. So like for example, if now he goes out of this store and if he wants to go to a Zara or a H&M, he'll say, "Adi kya karu? Pehle Zara jao ya H&M?" Which I find really cute. Then he does what he wants to do. But everything of his will ask, अच्छा मैं अभी जिम जाऊँ कि पार्क जाऊँ रनिंग के लिए. So I think that's really cute, which probably he doesn't even realize. But I find it very very cute. That's one habit. Then I find his smile very cute. I love it when he smiles, and I mean, I look forward because he's not. His laughters when he laughs, that's the best moments for me because I really feel like I feel the best then. So I think yeah, these are the two things I find cute. Irritating thing also I can say. Irritating is he just pushes me to wake up early in the morning. He likes to wake up early in the morning. I don't. I like to stay awake at night. He doesn't. So I don't push him to stay awake at night, but he pushes me to wake up early in the morning. That's very irritating.
उसका नाम है रात रानी. अदिति का दूसरा नाम है रात रानी.
We also played a fun target segment with them, so here it is. Lazy,
You already know it.
shopaholic,
Him.
Me.
talkative,
Aditi.
phone addict,
Adi. Big time.
This is
Big time.
this is
Big time phone addict. Big time.
no. This is not right. But okay, if you say.
I have to अपने को टोकना पड़ता है अदिति.
I'm working all the time on my phone. Yeah, that is not a phone addict. I'm working.
moody,
Me.
party animal,
No
None
one.
of us.
foodie,
Aditi.
Both of us. You also love to.
हाँ, but more than me, you.
Yeah, me.
messy,
Me.
always right,
Always right, Aditi. She's always right.
Not always, but yeah, he feels that I'm always right.
She's right most of the times.
choosy, short-tempered,
I was. On you.
cheesy,
Cheesy.
He can. Sometimes his jokes are cheap. But yeah,
Yeah,
And they're very funny
it's a part of me,
I
yeah.
enjoy it.
Yeah, I am cheesy. Yeah.
loud,
No one.
I'm
Both-
loud, baby. I'm at times, no?
No one.
fashionista,
Fashionista.
He doesn't know
Have you
it,
seen
but
people
he-
who are fashionistas?
No, but he doesn't know, but he is. I feel.
cribs all the time,
This is a very subjective thing. So, no, it's not that. I think both of us crib, but both of us make each other understand that stop cribbing. Yeah? I think that's what we do. Yeah.
always late,
Um, not always. Sometimes.
Sometimes, yeah.
poser,
Aditi.
Me.
travel junkie,
Both of us.
Both of us.
better kisser.
Both of us. He's thinking of some cheap, cheesy line.
Nahi.
But that side of Mohit, nobody has seen. Huh? He's very rarely like that when he is.
My kissing side.
No, not kissing side.
What side?
No, I don't want to see your kissing side, please. No, that he has a sense of humor which is very cheesy and cheap at times. It not many people know about it.
देसी है ना.
It's very there are few friends जिनके सामने वो वैसा होता है, but it's hilarious. जब वो होता है ना तो I'm like ये ऐसा हमेशा क्यों नहीं होता, but ये कभी-कभी होता है.
That's a part of me, no?
Lastly, relationship advice you would want to give your fans and young couples out there for a healthy relationship.
I think giving space to each other, सबसे important. That's the most important thing. I think all of us should do. And giving time, trust, and yeah, these three things.
I feel being honest to each other is very, very important. It's a very they say that be friends in a relationship, and it's actually
I
a
forgot
fact.
that. Honesty is also one of the
Friends.
pillars, I think, of a good relationship.
There has to be nothing which needs to be hidden. The moment you feel something has to be hidden, so that means somewhere something is going wrong. So I feel that everything should be खुली
I
किताब.
think we should do it very simply that दो human beings हैं और दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ रह रहे हैं और they should share whatever they feel. I think क्योंकि humans हैं यार, आपको feelings होंगी, आपको emotions होंगे, अजीब तरह के emotions आएंगे, अजीब feelings होंगी, अजीब thoughts आएंगे. तो yeah, you should share it with each other. अगर वो हो जाए तो बहुत बढ़िया चीज़ है, बहुत beautiful चीज़ है.
That's it. You and I agree. Thank you so much. Thank you.
India Forums wishes all you lovely viewers a very happy Valentine's Day. Pooja Mahajan, camera person Babaji, India Forums, Mumbai.